अचीवमेंट ये अभी मेरे को 15 ईयर्स होने वाले हैं। ये हमारे बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है किसी भी कंपनी के लिए, किसी भी बंदे के लिए काफ़ी बड़ा अचीवमेंट है ये 15 ईयर्स।
Yeah, my last year was super amazing, the work culture and the companies, very much, I haven't expected like I will join the organization and we'll get opportunities like here we are getting,
इस बार हम करते तो we would have required at least 4 buses to carry everybody. और December it wasn't possible due to various reasons. उसके बाद आज हम let's see कैसा होता है। we are hoping कि अच्छा जाएगा इवेंट भी। lots of awards to win today. People are excited. It's good to see कि people still have got their families over here. It's one event जहाँ पे families का अच्छा interaction and mingle up हो जाते हैं सारे। That's one of the best parts.
Good morning, everyone. Are you all ready for a morning full of fun and celebration? आवाज़ नहीं आ रही? Okay, good. Hello, namaste, adab, sat shri akal. My name is Shikha Shukla. I welcome you all with immense pleasure to Award Ceremony 2024, where we not only honor the hard work and achievements of our incredible team, but we also bring you a day packed with entertainment. Keep up the sparkling smiles on your faces. देसी स्टाइल में बोलूँ तो अपने चेहरे पे ये मुस्कान की चमकान बरकरार रखिए। Smile to get ready for some amazing dance performances, soulful singing and a skit that will keep you entertained. And of course, we will be celebrating our stars with well-deserved awards. So let's cheer, clap and enjoy this wonderful morning together. And to kick off this amazing celebration, we have a beautiful Bharatnatyam performance by the incredibly talented Sanvi Gupta. Let's give her a huge round of applause.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए।
बना दूं तुझे हरी हरी
चूड़ियां। Put your hands together for her.
बना दूं तुझे हरी हरी चूड़ियां।
So let's begin with the Master Blaster Award. This award we give to people who are excellent in their work, who are experts of their respective fields. So let's go to the list of the winners. Put your hands together for Prahad Jaiswal, guys. Shailen Jaiswal. For Gagandeep. Put your hands together for Yogi. Let's give a big round of applause for Sumit Gupta. Please give him a big round of applause for Sujit Ranjan Sethi. Put your hands together for Satish ji. Put your hands together for Santosh.
अपने दिल पर रख हाथ कहो ना अब ये बात मुकरनी है प्रकृति जितनी बर्बाद हुई सुनीन सा तेरी ये करनी है सुनीन सा तेरी ये करनी है सुनीन सा तेरी ये करनी है
अपनी खुद नजरों से हमें उठ के दिखाना है अपनी खुद नजरों से हमें उठ के दिखाना है प्रकृति है विनाश को हमें इसे बचाना है
Put your hands together.
We have witnessed some incredible performances and outstanding contribution, but today we celebrate talent that just go beyond work, skill that take years to perfect and patience. So this recognition came from close observation, not just performances, and are meant to cheer you on and let you know that you are seen.
Okay, Rahul, let's start with the first category. So the first category is for the Forever 21 award. बढ़ती उम्र मानो थम सी जाए. So some people age gracefully, and then there are those who make time itself pause. He hasn't celebrated his birthday since he last turned 18, and we suspect he plans to keep it that way.
अभी रिसेंटली वो अपने सन की पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में गए थे और टीचर ने इनके सन को बोला कि आप अपने बड़े भाई को क्यों लेके आए हो, पापा को क्यों नहीं लेके आए.
So in order for us to give this award, we'd also like to welcome someone. Please welcome the ever energetic and the forever young Sumit Gupta to please present this award. The award is not given to him. He'll be presenting the award. And this award goes to
Sandeep Singh, Sandy.
Put your hands together, guys.
अरे संदीप सर, राज तो बता के जाओ सबको।
राज कुछ नहीं है, बस समय से उठना, समय से खाना खाना और समय से पानी पीना।
और सांस लेना तो रह ही गया। थैंक यू सुमित सर।
Now for the next award. The second category is the Hair and Beyond Award. So while many of us constantly battle hair fall or experimenting with new styles, a few individuals among us have effortlessly embraced their natural mane and made it their signature. So with timeless elegance and unmatched presence, their long, well-kept hair has quietly become a standout trait. Rahul, would you like to continue?
बेटर कॉमर्स को अगर शैम्पू मैन्युफैक्चरर से स्पॉन्सरशिप दिलवा सकते हैं तो यही लोग हैं।
इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए वीड लाइक टू वेलकम संजय सर।
our own social media sensation in the day.
Put your hands together for Sanjay, guys.
Well, I can see there was an epic battle among Sandeep sir, Monty, and one more person who actually won this award. And finally, we have a winner. And I personally envy this, but I'm very happy announcing the name Pradeep Rawat. Please come on stage.
अरे एक बार अम्बी अवतार में आ जाओ।
Hair and Beyond. So I think it's time for me to change my picture on records as well, because when I joined, I used to have a really short hair, and now I have this. So that would be the next thing I will be doing now. Thank you.
लोगों के जा रहे हैं, तुम बढ़ा रहे हो। Okay, so the third category for the award is the catalyst. The award is for someone who sparks change, drive momentum, and quietly accelerate everything around them. While most situations could be resolved with a calm 2% chat, and just मतलब इस person की entry से ही वो बात जो बातों से solve हो सकती थी उसको हाथापाई पे लाने का talent है इसमें। And to present this award, I would like to call upon stage Amit sir.
And the winner is Shailendra Jaiswal.
Thank you so much, Amit sir.
Thank you.
देखिए कभी कभी ऐसा करना पड़ता है, कभी कभी दो लोगों के बीच में ब्रिज बनना पड़ता है ताकि अच्छे से काम चलता रहे। सो थैंक यू।
लड़ाई झगड़ा होता रहे।
And now for the fourth category, the award is for off the chair thinker. For someone who proves that great ideas don't always come while sitting at a desk. You might not always find him in one place, but his work is always on point and done before the deadline. A true example of smart work and silent hustle. Let's see who has earned this spot. Any guesses? We would please like to welcome Gagandeep sir to present this award.
And the winner is Parhaj Jaswal.
Thank you so much, Gagandeep sir.
For our next segments, I would like to call upon stage Pradeep Rawat and Sandy to proceed further with the award ceremony.
काफी रायता फैला दिया है, अब हम आगे थोड़ा सा और फैलाते हैं. All right, Paddy. Let's start with the 5th category award. And
The 5th category is Mr. 24/7 Uptime, with no downtime. This individual has no concept of downtime, while even Azure takes a breather now and then. This guy just keep on going, no smoke, no tea, no coffee. His only caffeine hit committing pull requests. Always glued to his laptop, and honestly, we suspect the laptop might just be his second wife because it gets more attention than anyone else.
whether it's day and night, weekday or weekend, he's in the zone, always. Coding like a machine, let's give it up for the unstoppable force, the sleepless coder, and the PR committer powerhouse. Any guesses?
We'll see.
To prevent this, to present this award, I like to call upon the stage someone who made quite the journey to be here today, almost matching the travel time of our award winner. So let's welcome our marketing mastero, proof that you don't need to understand APIs to appreciate a good PR, especially when a pull request is created. Award presenter is Vipul.
And the award goes to my dear friend, Yogi.
वैसे सबसे अच्छी बात है कि आज त्रिपाठी को इतना इंग्लिश बोलते हुए देख लिया मैंने. ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट. ठीक है, एंड दूसरी बात है पीआर कमिटर वाला जो है ना, मैं ज़्यादा सुनता हूँ सर से कि बहुत दिन बाद पीआर कमिट करता हूँ. ठीक है, हाँ, उसके बाद से ज़्यादा पीआर कमिट करने लगा.
Okay, we are just skipping the 6th category. We are moving because that guy is not yet in. So the 7th category we have is the official MBBS award. This is the next prestigious award of the night, the Office MBBS award for the one person who almost become a doctor, but unfortunately end up with a BTech degree instead. Got a stomach. He knows the cure to every problem. His hair losses can be seen. He got advice, heart issues, sugar levels, or any chronic disease you can think of. Don't worry, in-house person has half of the wisdom of an MBBS and double the confidence and a seasoned physician.
So without a further ado, the Office MBBS Award to present this award, we would call upon stage Vikram sir.
This goes to half compounder, half doctor, half of everything, Dr. Sumil Jalota. All right, so this is going to be our last category of the day, and this award called My First Ever Award. As we celebrate our 19th award ceremony, it's time to honor someone who leads with hard work and dedication, always glued to his laptop, solving problems, and is the quiet force behind so much of what we actually do. Beyond his own responsibilities, he constantly helping others, guiding the team, and keeping things running smoothly, all without seeking praises or raising his voice especially, no matter the blunder we all create. Despite being the most hardworking member of the team, he has never received a single award until today. His commitment and dedication have finally brought him to this well-deserved moment where he will be awarded. And to present this special honor, I would like to invite the entire Better Commerce team on stage so that we can present this award to him.
Put your hands together, guys. Put your hands together.
And yes, my first ever award goes to Vikram sir.
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सच, बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। पहले मुझे लगा ये मेरे लिए है, लेकिन जब पैडी ने बोला ना विदाउट रेजिंग हिज वॉइस, मैंने कहा ये सूट नहीं कर रहा, ये मैं नहीं हो सकता। But thank you so much guys, my first ever award, I'll frame it and keep it in my room. Thank you. पढ़ लिया मैंने। बेहतर कर्मचारी संघ, प्रस्तुतकर्ता प्राधिकरण, बेहतर कॉमर्स कर्मचारी संघ। Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much.
So it's just a rhyme. It goes like this. We start with a plan, write that code, pull up request, was the pipeline load. Agile mindset, sprint real tight, stand up at night, ship by night. Merge that branch, fix that bug, debugging skill, man, give me a hug. From back to front, we make it flow, clean code only, that's how we roll. Code it, test it, push it live, deploy that app, let's watch it thrive. Stack so strong, can't take us down, tech team kings, we own this town. Docker running, CI tight, servers up, yeah, that's looking right. Cloud on clock, data's flying, 99.9, ain't no dying. Dark mode flex, UI clean, backend solid, walking mean. Version control, no commit flights, question bug like a JD Knight. So here's to the dev, raise them high, we build that web, we touch the sky, ship that product, watch it grow, mic drop now, let's rock this show.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. This is something new I started just for now. This is a poem or kavita, you can say. कोशिश कर मंजिल मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल मिलेगी. तू मेहनत कर दिल से, तेरे कदमों के साथ जमी भी चलेगी. कोई प्रश्न है तो सवाल कर, कोई शंका है तो निदान कर. यूँ सोचने से कुछ नहीं मिलता, समस्या कितनी भी बड़ी हो, कोशिश कर उसका समाधान मिलेगा. अपनी रोशनी से अंधेरा मिटा दो, जो मन में है वो करके दिखा दो. अपने भीतर के विश्वास से तुम रास्ते की हर मुश्किल को हरा दो. लोग तुम्हें सिर्फ सलाह देंगे, पर मंजिल तो तुम्हें ढूंढनी होगी. किस्मत नहीं, कर्म पे विश्वास कर, इरादों में मजबूती तुम्हें ही ढूंढनी होगी. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Arjun. Our next category is ABCD Awards. That means anybody can dance. यही है? नहीं. Oh, sorry. I mean ABCD, which means above and beyond call of duty for people who give above and beyond the call of duty. Our first winner is, please put your hands together for Gaurav. Tarun Kumar Chaube. Please put your hands together for Tarun. Put your hands together for Shubham Shukla. Put your hands together for Saurabh Chaudhary. Put your hands together for Sanjay Kumar. Give him a big round of applause. Put your hands together.
वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए. लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए. सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए. लिखे जो खत तुझे हमको तुमसे प्यार है, जिया बेकरार है.
Put your hands together.
तेरा इंतजार है. हमको तुमसे प्यार है, जिया बेकरार है. आजा मेरी बुलबुल, तेरा इंतजार है. तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है, खाई है. तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है, खाई है. तेरी आँखों में चाहत ही नजर आई है, आई है. क्षण से जो टूटे कोई सपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे, कोई रहे ना जब अपना। जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना।
वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो। वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो। वो मेरा प्यार मेरा दर्द मुझे लौटा दो।
किसी डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए, हो किसी डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए, कोई देख लेना हमें यहाँ कहीं घूम के आए हम। चलो इश्क लगाए, चलो इश्क लगाए, चलो इश्क लगाए सनम। हो चलो इश्क लगाए, चलो इश्क लगाए, चलो इश्क लगाए।
Put your hands together. Awesome performance. Thank you.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन। तो स्टैंड अप के लिए मेरे को बोला गया है, मतलब सर ने बोला मेरे को स्टैंड अप के लिए, कभी किया नहीं आज तक। फर्स्ट टाइम है मेरा। तो एक छोटी सी अपनी जो एक्सट्रीम में आने की जर्नी है वो शेयर करना चाहूँगा। मेरा इंटरव्यू का जो शेड्यूल था उसको बता रहा हूँ मैं आप लोगों को। 3 लोगों ने मेरा इंटरव्यू लिया, अरुण सर, प्रेम और अंकित। वो तीनों लोग आज नहीं है हमारे साथ यहाँ पे। वो लोग कहीं और अपना इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं। और तरुण भाई हैं, उन्होंने पहला इंटरव्यू लिया था मेरा और उन्होंने मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया था, इसलिए वो अभी भी हैं इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में। मैं बाइक से जा रहा था, मेरी बाइक पंचर हो गई थी, तो तरुण भाई बोले यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर दिस जॉब। तुम पहले बाइक बनवाओ अपना, उसके बाद हम तुमको लेंगे। तो इंटरव्यू ऐसा था मेरा कि अंकित भाई ने बोला कि क्या करते हो आप? मैं बोला सर अभी तो जॉबलेस हूँ, कुछ करता नहीं हूँ, घर पे ही हूँ। फिर बोले कि क्यों आना चाहते हो हमारे साथ तुम इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में? मैं बोला सर जॉब रहेगा, जो भी मिलेगा करने के लिए वो करेंगे। बोले बकचोदी कर लेते हो? मैं बोला सर ये तो पता नहीं, आप ही बताओ कि कर लेता हूँ कि नहीं कर लेता हूँ। उसके लिए मेरे को पहले हायर करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को। अरुण भाई थे, अरुण भाई बोले कि दारू पीते हो? मैं बोला कि सर मम्मी बैठी मेरी पास में। तो अरुण भाई कह रहे अच्छा मतलब पीते हो इसका मतलब। और शिखा मैम के बारे में थोड़ी सी बातें। एडमिन में है शिखा मैम, हमारी HR हैं। एडमिन का मतलब ही है कि ऐड मिनट इन ईच एंड एवरी टास्क। इनके पास कुछ भी रिक्वेस्ट लेके जाओ तो बोलती है 10 मिनट के बाद आना। 10 मिनट के बाद जाओ, अभी आ गए तुम, हो गए 10 मिनट। इस चीजों को सुधारने के लिए थैंक्स टू केका, उस पे आप तुरंत टिकट बनाइए, तुरंत रिस्पॉन्स आता है आज के टाइम पे। शैलेंद्र सर भी हैं यहाँ पे, शीलू भैया हमारे। शीलू भैया के पास केका से पहले की कहानी बता रहा हूँ। कोई भी चीज़, हेडफोन, माउस, लैपटॉप, कुछ भी, थोड़ा सा भी उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ, तुमने ही किया है ये, हमने तो सही दिया था, हमने तो काम कर रहा था जब हमने दिया, तुमने ही खराब किया है ये। आज के टाइम पे जैसे ही टिकट बनता है सबसे पहला रिस्पॉन्स आता है उनका, विद इन अ मिनट, इशू रिजॉल्व्ड। Thanks to Keka and thanks to Extreme family for giving this opportunity to me, and lovely. Thank you guys.
Moving to the next category of award, we present the Star Roorkee Award, Amandeep Khare. He's not here. Put your hands together for Arjun Jaiswal. Put your hands together for Manish Jaiswal. Put your hands together for Baba, guys.
आज बाबा इंग्लिश में स्पीच देंगे। थैंक यू सर।
Put your hands together for Goswami. Rishi Raj Drona. Please welcome Rishi Raj Drona. Put your hands together. Dinesh Singh Chauhan. Put your hands together for Dinesh Singh Chauhan. Welcome Rahul Tripathi on the stage. Put your hands together for him, guys. Let's move to the next category of award. Is the Rising Star Award. It's celebrating exceptional, talented and hard work without further delay. Here are the winners. Let's give a big round of applause for our rising stars. Please welcome Ashish Parashar, Manish Singh, Keshav Anand, Harshita Rajput, Mohit Das, Pradeep Rawat.
जुलम कर डारो, सितम कर डारो, जुलम कर डारो, रे सितम कर डारो। काले ने कर दियो लाल, जुलम कर डारो।
Put your hands together.
लाल जुलम कर डारो। काले ने कर दियो लाल, जुलम कर डारो। काले ने कर दियो लाल,
Shanvi Varchane. Thank you, Shanvi. Next, we have the Special Mention Award. So, our first winner is... Put your hands together for Rohit Verma. Saurabh Chaudhary, put your hands together. Put your hands together for Neeraj Kumar. Shiv Shankar Barnwal. Please welcome Shiv ji. Please welcome Amit Kumar. Put your hands together for Amit Kumar. Let's start with the Service Award. These awards are conferred upon extremities who have completed either 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years service with us. This time we have 13 people who have completed 5 years with Ekstrom. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for completing 5 years of service with us. Please welcome Rahul Tripathi, Neeraj Kumar, Vinay Sharma, Archit Sharma, Gaurav Chog, Mohammad Shahrukh, Prahas Jaiswal, Ebin T. Philip, Dinesh Singh Chauhan, Abhishek Kumar Phatak, Shikha Shukla, Sujit Ranjan Sethi, Sushant Kumar. Please welcome. Put your hands together for them, guys. Please put your hands together for Abhishek Sinandi and Satish Chaurasia, who have completed 10 years with Ekstrom. Put your hands together, guys. Sales and marketing team, please put your hands together. Let's get back to the awards. सबको इसका वेट रहता है हर साल, है ना? So, let's go to the team award. अब किसको मिलेगा? Any guess? Any guess? Any guess? Okay, so let's go to the category. The Best Team Award is given to a group of extremities who have displayed excellent team spirit and delivered high quality. The award for the best team goes to Activate Hair Business Support Team. Please welcome Activate Hair Business Support Team. Put your hands together for the team, guys. Please come on the stage, team. Put your hands together.
हमेशा ये गाना गाया किया करता था कि ओ मेरे महबूब मुझको तू इतना बता, मेरे महबूब मुझको तू इतना बता, मैं गवारा मरूंगा या शादीशुदा, मैं गवारा मरूंगा या शादीशुदा।
तो मैं जवाब देता हूँ।
सज नहीं बाला तो क्या आईना मिलन की रात तो क्या, प्यार किया तेरी यादों से, गठबंधन तेरी वादों से, हो बिन से हम तेरे, ओ बिन से हम तेरे। 90s के बाद हम लोग 60s के बाद कहीं सच में नहीं जाएगा।
मुझसे गाने की नींद तो नहीं कर रहे, गाना कहाँ से आएगा रे?
मेरा बेटा मुझे ही माँ बुलाता है, माँ मुझे ही माँ बुलाता है, मुझे ही माँ बुलाता है। क्या देखा उसने? इधर मैं इतनी देर से ऐसे ही इंसान को ढूंढ रहा था।
देखो एक हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ के लिए द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इज यू नीड टू बी साइलेंट। आपको अपनी वाइफ की हर बात माननी है, मतलब irrespective of everything that she says, she is a better half of you. You can't deny her. अभी बोलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
I am so proud to see where we have reached in such a long time. I think this is the 9th award actually that we are doing, and this all started, I think, from Dharamshala, where some people randomly decided to do a skit. We were already started some awards back in 2015-16, but we were not doing it at this scale. 2017 in Dharamshala, some people did skate, and from that point onwards, every year this has only gotten better. Yes, COVID hit us a little bit where we could not do anything at all, but thankfully post-COVID we did one trip, and hopefully we'll do more in some time soon. I know a lot of people want to do trips rather than local thing, so I would just encourage that hopefully next year we are able to do that. It is of course significantly dependent upon everybody's participation to build that credibility and build that, friendship and bond. It makes a huge difference. This is where you build that bond. Once you build that family bond here, it's for lifetime. And if you don't do that, what is your earning? So it's very important that you focus on the relationship and build that. And I'm very proud that in general, we've managed to build that environment where people have that kind of bond, at least amongst themselves, which is very good. Kudos to all of you to bring that warmth and affection for everybody and around everybody around you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.